Thinking of moving abroad to Europe with your furry best friend? Well, I have two, and this is everything that I learned. Whether it's a cat, dog, or something a little more exotic, bringing your pet with you can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll go step by step through everything that I learned in my own research and everything you need to know, from paperwork and vaccinations to choosing airlines and settling your pet into their new European home. Moving abroad with pets takes serious planning. Unlike moving solo, you'll need to account for regulations, comfort, and health. Some countries in Europe have strict entry requirements, and skipping a step could delay your move, or worse, put your pet in a quarantine. Starting preparations at least 3 to 6 months in advance will make the process far smoother. Step 1 is researching your destination country's import laws. While the European Union has standardized rules, each country can have additional requirements. Most EU nations require a microchip registered before vaccination, a rabies vaccination at least 21 days before travel, and an EU health certificate issued by a licensed vet. Some non-EU countries in Europe like Norway or Switzerland have slightly different rules, so go ahead and double check before you book that flight. In Europe, pets can be issued something called an EU pet passport. This document makes future travel within Europe much easier. But if you're moving from outside the EU, your vet will need to issue an international health certificate approved by your government's agriculture or animal health department. Go ahead and keep copies of everything because airlines and border officials will want to see them. And speaking of airlines each have different pet policies. Some allow small pets in the cabin if they fit under the seat. Larger animals may need to fly in a cargo hold, which can be stressful. When comparing airlines, go ahead and look for direct flights to minimize stress. Pet-friendly reputations. Some airlines specialize in safe pet transport. And temperature policies. Since extreme heat or cold can restrict travel for pets, always call the airline directly to confirm details. Don't rely on their website information. Now, helping your pet adjust before the big day is key. Start by introducing the travel carrier weeks ahead of time. Let them sleep or eat inside so it feels safe to them. Go ahead and take short car rides to simulate the travel experience. And talk to your vet about anxiety options. Sometimes natural calming sprays or vet-approved medications can help nervous pets. Now, if you are flying from America to Europe, that's a long flight. You can ask your vet about sleeping aids. Once you arrive in Europe, give your pet time to adjust. Familiar items like their bed, toys, or a blanket will help them feel more at home. Go ahead and register with a local vet soon after arriving, both for peace of mind and to ensure you meet any residency requirements for your pets. Europe is incredibly pet-friendly. You'll find dog parks, pet cafes, and even public transport options that allow pets in many cities. Now, finding housing is another big step. Not all European landlords allow pets, so make sure your lease is pet-friendly before signing. Many expats recommend working with agencies or rental sites that specifically list pet-allowed housing. On the plus side, Europe has a strong culture of outdoor living, so your pets will likely get more walks, park time, and social interaction than ever before. Bringing your pet abroad isn't cheap. go ahead and budget for vet exams and vaccinations, a travel carrier and airline fees, health certificates and paperwork, along with pet deposits or higher rent for housing. All of these fees will add up, but knowing in advance helps avoid stress. Now to recap, go ahead and start early. Research the country's rules, prepare your paperwork, choose the right airline, and help your pet adjust before and after the move. With the right planning, your four-legged friend will thrive in their new European home. Now, would you ever bring your pet with you abroad? Or are you planning a move right now? Go ahead and share your experience or your questions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more guides on moving abroad and living the expat life, with or without pets.